Unraveling the Club Scene, a gateway to English slang. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as vibrant and lively as the nightlife itself: club scene. Whether you're a language enthusiast or gearing up for your next night out, understanding this phrase is your ticket to joining the conversation. Let's get started. When we talk about the club scene, we're referring to the collection of nightclubs in a particular area and what happens there. It's not just about the physical clubs but also the culture, the people, the music, and the overall vibe. It's a term often used to describe the nightlife that is popular with partygoers, especially when talking about the trends and social aspects of clubbing. The club scene is a mosaic of different elements. It includes the venues, describing the various clubs, their themes, and what they're known for. The music, exploring the types of music you'll encounter, from electronic dance music, EDM, to hip-hop. The fashion, what people typically wear, which can range from casual to extravagant. The social interaction, how people mingle, dance, and the common social norms. Let's put our phrase into action. You can say, the club scene in Berlin is known for its techno music. Or, I'm not really into the club scene. I prefer quiet evenings at home. It's a versatile term that you can use to describe your experiences or preferences regarding nightlife. That's a wrap on our exploration of the club scene. We hope you now feel confident weaving this phrase into your English conversations. Remember, language learning is the key to unlocking new worlds, so keep practicing. And don't hesitate to hit the dance floor of English slang. See you next time.